What is 6-7 in Hong Kong? Welcome back to Be Cantonese. I'm your favorite Cantonese teacher. Today we're going to talk about words that are so native in Hong Kong. And it's so common to say, oh, I messed up. Yes, 6-7 is actually not quite a joke in Hong Kong, but it means lok chat. Lok chat. We use that to express our feelings when something is so messed up. For example, you are a university student and you're doing a group project. There are 3 writers in your group. You know what's gonna happen next. That person is not going to do their part and you're just gonna finish it up. So, lok chat. Imagine you're going to attend a job interview and you know that Hong Kong is so crowded. Almost every morning is the busy hours. And you're looking, oh shit, I'm gonna be late. 今次仆街了. 仆街 has the similar meaning to 6-7, lok chat. Lok means a roll, chat means penis. And in this situation, lok chat doesn't mean that there's a penis, but it means I am so fucked up. If you're going to live in Hong Kong, there's no way for you to avoid hearing profanity. And why am I teaching this? Not because I want you to be rude, but because I want you to understand why people use these words. There are tons of ways to say that you messed up. Lok chat is one of them. The actual pronunciation of 6 is lok. Lok. It also sounds like lok個杯麵. 杯麵 cup noodles. And the pronunciation of the number 7 is chat. If you come to Hong Kong, you can see the 7-Eleven convenience store everywhere. 七仔 is how we call it. Or 71. 我落樓下七仔買嘢. 我落樓下七仔買嘢. You see why we need to be careful with the tones? Please check this video if you are interested or you're just very confused with how to pronounce different tones. Give Cantonese another chance because you will understand why it is so important to get the tones right. Lok, lok, they are completely different words. Chat, chat. If you don't pay attention, you may be swearing in public without noticing it. Lok in this Chinese character means the wheels on vehicles. Lok 保齡球. Lok 保齡球. We use chat to describe someone who is ugly, embarrassing, or super stupid. 柒頭. 柒頭. 佢正柒頭嚟嘅. There are people embarrassing themselves in front of everyone because they think they're smarter. And in this case, they are normally wrong. And we call them 衝出嚟柒. 衝出嚟柒. Like they have the impulse to be stupid. Remember earlier we say 仆街 as oh shit. 仆街 can also be used to exaggerate something. For example, 柒到仆街. 柒到仆街. That means that person is super ugly and embarrassing. And I just think of a great example. So if you come to Hong Kong and you're greeting with everybody, trying to make friends, trying to be funny, and then you pull out this joke, 6-7. When we grow up, we don't have this culture in mind. We learn lok chat. So I hope you have fun in today's lesson and keep finding the joy in learning Cantonese. Remember to subscribe to my channel and share this video. And maybe comment what you want me to dive deep in. I will consider it. I'll see you next time.